Do you wish you could be the present mom you've always wanted to be, but still need to provide an income for your family? Are you tired of scouring the internet for legit jobs that will replace your income and that you can do from home in your PJs? Hey friend, welcome to the Virtual Assistant Mama podcast. I know you're over there Googling jobs for moms, legit work-at-home jobs, or start a side hustle, yet you can't figure out how to take that first step. So instead, you stay stuck, do nothing, or start random side hustles to try to make quick money. Becoming a virtual assistant is the answered prayer you've been waiting for. My name is Ariana, and I'm a former teacher turned work-at-home mom who replaced my teaching income as a virtual assistant in just 6 months. I did this by taking a step of faith and following the dream that God placed on my heart to be home with my babies. Mama, your dreams pale in comparison to God's dreams for you. Imagine offering services that light you up, working with clients who value you and pay you what you're worth, and having a job that works around your life and not the other way around. This is the podcast for you. It's time to take that first step. Are you ready? Here we go. Y'all, before we jump into today's episode, which I know you're going to love, I want to remind you that our free workshop is happening today, Thursday, September 28th at 6 p.m. In this free workshop, I'm going to be teaching you the 5 P's you need to know in order to become a successful and profitable virtual assistant so you can work from home with your babies, take those dream family vacations, pay off that debt, all the things. Even if you can't make it live, as long as you register, you will get a link sent to your email with the replay. So make sure you get registered for that. You can do so at arianavernier.com/free-workshop. Or find the link in the show notes. I can't wait to see you there. We already have so many amazing women signed up for this, and I'm really excited to pour into y'all tonight. All right, so I recently had a student in the Virtual Assistant Mama Academy share that she was struggling to find clients in her virtual assistant business, and she was really starting to worry that she was going to have to go back to teaching. So, as always, I shared with her some tips like following up with recent leads, even if she hasn't heard from them in a while, finding a referral partner, all those different things. But the one main thing I asked her is, have you been giving the control to God? I know for myself and so many of my students, we struggle to let go of control. We want to be in charge. And I just want you to know that you can do, but sometimes you just have to relinquish that control and just be, and to just know that God is going to have your back. You guys, God's yoke is light. He just wants us to come to him, to ask him for what we want. And maybe he's not going to give us what we want, but he is going to give us what we need. So when I reminded my student of this, he decided to sit down in prayer and pray over her next clients. Then, later that day, she did the same thing again, and this time through tears of worry. Like, God, I really need a new client. I need to be able to provide financially for my family. What do I do? She was just like desperate. But she prayed and she let him know and she asked exactly what she needed. Right after she did that, she checked her email and had an email from a potential client she hadn't heard from in a long time saying they were ready to hire her. Y'all. But God, he can do this for you. You just have to ask him. Okay? Sometimes it's just that simple. So I know this episode was short and sweet, but I just want to encourage you to give up some of your control to God. Bring him into your business, into your life, into all of your choices and decisions. Ask him to guide you. Ask him to provide. He is a loving Father, and he just wants to care for us, and he just wants us to know that he is always there for us. All right. I love you guys so much, and we will see you in the next episode. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I would love to bless you with a free gift as a thank you. All you have to do is leave a review of the show on Apple Podcasts, take a screenshot, and send it to podcast@virtualassistantmama.com. I'll send you a code so you can snag my virtual assistant toolkit for free. And don't forget to come hang out with us in our free community, facebook.com/groups/virtual assistant mama. I'm so honored to support you in your journey to becoming a virtual assistant. Until next week, y'all, keep following the dreams that were placed on your heart so you can be the present mama you've always wanted to be.